Hello and welcome back to Music Mitra. This is Bindu Naya here, and we learn Carnatic music in a very easy and fun way here. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, and we will practice together, we will learn together, we will understand the concepts of Carnatic music together in our journey towards exploring Carnatic music. And if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe right away and click that bell icon too, so you know when new videos are out. Today I'm going to introduce you to a very beautiful ragam. The ragam name is Vasanta. Vasanta is a Janya ragam. In Carnatic music, we know there are two major classifications. There are Janaka ragas or parent ragas, and there are Janya ragas or the kid ragas, so born out of these Janaka ragas. So when it comes to Vasanta, it is a Janya raga. It is Janya of the 17th Melakarta, Surya Kantam. So it comes in the same chakra or the same family as Maya Malava Gaula, which all of you are familiar with, right? Maya Malava Gaula was 15. This is number 17. That means it's just two ragas down the list in the Melakarta chakra. This is in the third chakra or the Agni chakra. So Maya Malava Gaula's Sari Gama Pa will be same for Chakravakam and for Suryakantam. That is 16 is Chakravakam, 17 is Suryakantam. Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa is the same for all these three ragas, right? Because all the ragas in a chakra has the same Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma and Pa. So what changes is only Da and Ni. I have discussed this Melakarta raga in another video. I will share the link in the description where I've explained how chakra to chakra the swaras of the ragas change, and within the chakra also how the swaras change. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa remain constant within the chakra, and we change only the Daivatam and Nishadam. So the first raga in all chakras will have Shuddha Daivatam with Shuddha Nishadam. Second raga will have Shuddha Daivatam with Kaishiki Nishadam. Then you will have Shuddha Daivatam with Kakali Nishadam. That was Maya Malava Gaula. Then the next, all the Shuddha Devata combinations over. Then you have Chatushruti Devatam with Kaishiki Nishadam, Chatushruti Devatam with Kakali Nishadam, and then last one will be Shatshruti Devatam with Kakali Nishadam. That is how the swaras are distributed within the chakra. So when it comes to Surya Kantam, it has Sarigamapa like Maya Malava Gaula, Shuddha Rishabham, Antaragandaram, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, and it has Chatushruti Devatam with Kakali Nishadam. The big Dha and the big Ni. And this is a Audhava Shadava Raga. It doesn't have Pa. And it's also sung as Vakra Audhava Shadava Raga. Meaning Sagama Danisa at the Arohana notes, but it's normally sung as Samagama Danisa. Samagamadhanisa, Sagamadhanisa. That's also correct. But the more popular version is Samagamadhanisa, Sanidamagari. 6 notes. Sanidamagari. So Shadava here, Audava in the Arohana. So it's known as a Audava Shadava Raga. And if you consider Samagama, we can say it's a Vakra Audava Shadava Raga because we are using jumbled notes in the Arohanam. So let's sing the Arohanam again. Samagama Danisa, Sanidamagarisa. Compositions, so many beautiful compositions in this ragam. Varnam itself, in the beginning, a student would be learning Ninnu kori yunanu rane narunji inanelu kora. So this is Ninukori Varnam in the Ragam Vasanta. Dikshita has composed Ramachandram Bhavayami, Ramachandram Bhavayami, Ramachandram Bhavayami, Raghukula Tilakamupendram, Ramachandram Bhavayami, Raghukula Tilakamupendram, Ramachandram Bhavayami, Raghukula Tilakamupendram, Ramachandram Bhavayami, Raghukula Tilakamupendram, Ramachandram Bhavayami. Saint Tyagaraja has composed Setam Mayam, Setam Mayam, Setam Mayam, Sri Ramudu maku tandri Setam. Mysore Vasudevacharya has composed Devirame Mamavabdi Tanaye, Devirame Mamavabdi Tanaye, Deva Deva Vasudeva Jaye Devi. In dance, if you have been following Bharatanatyam dance, there's a famous dance number also. Natanam Adinam. And the list goes on and on. Beautiful compositions in the Ragam Vasanta. So, this was an introduction to the Ragam Vasanta. I will come back with few exercises in Vasanta in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay subscribed, share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comments below whether this video was of use to you. See you soon. Bye.